In healthy people, the brain contains tens of billions of nerve cells called neurons. All sensations, movements, thoughts, memories, and feelings are the result of signals that pass through these cells. Neurons communicate with each other using electrical charges that travel through the cell, causing the release of chemicals across tiny gaps to neighboring neurons. Other cells in the brain, such as astrocytes and microglia, clear away debris and help keep neurons healthy. In a person with Alzheimer's disease, toxic changes in the brain destroy healthy communication among neurons. These changes may occur years or even decades before the first clinical signs, such as memory loss. In Alzheimer's disease, researchers believe this process primarily involves two proteins, beta amyloid and tau, which build up and become toxic to brain cells. As abnormal tau accumulates, it eventually forms tangles inside neurons. Beta amyloid clumps into plaques, which slowly build up between neurons. As the level of amyloid reaches a tipping point, there is a rapid spread of tau throughout the brain. But tau and beta amyloid may not be the only factors involved in Alzheimer's. Other changes that affect the brain may also play a role over time. The vascular system may fail to deliver sufficient blood, oxygen, and nutrients to the brain. The brain may lack the glucose needed to power its activity. Chronic inflammation sets in as microglial cells fail to clear away debris, and astrocytes react to distressed microglia. Eventually, neurons lose their ability to communicate. As neurons stop working properly, the brain shrinks, with early changes occurring in the hippocampus, a part of the brain important for learning and memory. People may begin to experience memory loss, impaired decision-making, and language problems. As more neurons stop working properly throughout the brain, a person with Alzheimer's gradually loses the ability to think, remember, make decisions, engage in meaningful activities, and live independently. Achieving a deeper understanding of the molecular and cellular mechanisms and how they may interact is vital to the development of effective therapies to treat or prevent Alzheimer's. Much progress has been made in identifying the various factors underlying the disease. Advances in brain imaging have enabled us to see how Alzheimer's changes the living brain, even before symptoms of dementia appear. Blood and fluid biomarkers are providing insights about when the disease starts and how it affects the brain and body over time. More is also known about the genetic underpinnings of the disease and how they can affect particular biological pathways. These advances have enabled the development, testing, and availability of promising new therapies, including drugs that reduce or clear Alzheimer's-related proteins such as amyloid and tau in the brain, therapies targeting the vascular system, glucose metabolism and inflammation, and lifestyle interventions that show promise for preventing or slowing the disease, such as increasing physical activity and exercise, managing high blood pressure, and engaging in cognitively demanding activities. Scientists continue to explore these and other behaviors that may promote brain and cognitive health, such as diet, diabetes management, and social engagement. Research continues to evolve rapidly toward effectively preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. To learn more about Alzheimer's disease and the brain, visit alzheimers.gov.